Hello, today is June 10th. My name is Dave, and we're going to be looking at some EWAVES live highlights. Today's chart is copper. Copper has had terrific Ellioticity for the better part of the last few months, which means it really adheres well to the rules, of course, because if rules are violated, the count doesn't exist, but more importantly, all the guidelines of the Elliott Wave Principle. Its Ellioticity at the next degree larger than what we're looking at on the chart here has actually been well over 80% for the better part of the last couple of months. I wanted to look today, though, at the detail of the chart from roughly a year and a quarter ago, basically since March of 2020. And just point out a couple of things that are of note that EWAVES has done really well. And I've already put the chart into Paint to make it a little bit easier. We'll see if it's easier or not. And we'll look at the EWAVES live chart if we need to check prices or anything like that. So, counting from wave B here back in March of 2020, looking for 5 waves up for wave C. EWAVES is counting wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and then waves 1, 2, 3, and working wave 4 of a 5-wave structure that'll finish the entirety of wave C from March of 2020. A couple things to point out. Notice within wave 1, wave 2, let's see, did I grab the right tool? Nope, not yet. Let's try that again. Wave 2 is a sharp correction. Wave 4 is a sideways correction, thus exhibiting alternation. Wave 3 is extended. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4. Notice that here as well, switch the colors, wave 2 is a flat correction. In other words, wave B goes to a new extreme above the point at which wave A began. And wave 4, in this case, is what's referred to as a sharp correction, where wave B does not exceed the origin of wave A. Within wave 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up. Note here also that within this wave 3, wave 2 is a sharp correction. Wave 4 is a sideways correction. Now, the red wave 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, these are both sharp corrections. Alternation is a guideline. It's not a hard and fast rule. Something you like to see satisfied, but if it's not, that's just fine. Same thing at one larger degree. Wave 2 here is sharp. Wave 4 here is sharp. Now let's take a look at the subdividing wave 5, because this is a bullish count right now. EWAVES is counting 1, 2, 3. Wave 4 is in progress. Wave 4 is allowed to be in progress as long as that's the best interpretation. As long as the peak at wave 1 is not broken, that level is 419, and copper is currently trading around 449, so it's like 30 bucks risk. And EWAVES is looking for this pattern for wave 4, A, B, C, W, X, A, B, C, to finish wave Y, a double zigzag to complete wave 4, and then copper to thrust to a new high, somewhere above $500. One thing I wanted to point out, it's entirely possible to label wave 4 as a triangle. A, B, C, D, E, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up roughly to finish all of wave 5, which potentially completes wave 5 from all the way back here a year and change ago, but it could just be wave 1 of 5. And then this corrective structure would be wave 2, still allowing for waves 3, 4, 5 to the upside. So EWAVES, I believe, prefers this interpretation with wave 4 ending here to a triangle wave 4 because of its projections for the ultimate length of wave 5. That's a topic for another time. In the meantime, I hope you have a good day, and this has been EWAVES Highlights. Hope you enjoyed the walkthrough.